Assalamualaikum and hi guys, my name is Miza Carmila binti Abdulaziz, and in this video I'll show you guys how to create a poster regarding health awareness program using Adobe Spark. The first thing that you need to do is search spark.adobe.com. You can log in either using your Google account or your Adobe ID. Once you have logged in, Adobe Spark not only allows you to create a poster, you can also create web page using Spark Page and video using Spark Video. But for this tutorial, we will be making a poster, so you can search for any template that you want. As you can see, there are a variety of options you can choose. Once you have chosen your template, you can change your poster layout by click background. And if the color is not to your liking, you can change it by choosing it from the color palette and play with the color option given. You can get rid of any object that you want by simply click delete. For this middle section here, you can replace it with a picture, and I will upload from my desktop, but you can find free images as well. Select your image. You can adjust the focal point of your image by click and drag your image. You can resize your image. To edit the text, you can double click it. You can adjust the alignment of the text with the option given here or add effect like shadows or outline to your text. You can change the spacing of your text, or you can change the shape of your text box by click object, and there is quick option here where you can add your social media icon if you want to include your Facebook account so that others can contact you for more information. You can change the color of your text and drag it wherever you want it to be. You can change the size of your text by drag the corner of your text, or do it manually at right side here. The option given for text font is really good, even just for a basic account. For your poster, don't forget to add details such as the time of your event and where is it going to be. Some tips when making poster, especially when it comes to mental health awareness talk, do add some inspiring word to make your poster look more encouraging and ensuring, so that you can attract as many people as you can to come to your talk. Another good thing about Adobe Spark is it automatically saves your work, so you don't have to worry about losing your work at any time. I will continue the rest of my editing here. Don't forget to add icon to your poster as well. Once you have finished, you can download your poster or click publish to share it to your social media such as your Facebook account, or you can copy the link as well. Another useful tip is highlight all the object you want to move and hold the shift key as you move it around without having to move all the object individually to save some time.